Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Skylanders. First, ensure you have your chosen Skylanders game, a compatible console, and the essential portal of power. Connect the portal of power to your console using its USB cable. Then, simply insert the game disc or launch the digital version from your console's menu. This initial setup is quick and gets you ready for adventure in just a few moments. Once the game starts, place any Skylanders figure onto the portal of power. You'll see your chosen character instantly appear within the game world, ready for action. To switch characters, simply remove the current figure and place a different one on the portal. This allows for dynamic gameplay, letting you experiment with various abilities and elemental strengths as you explore. Every Skylander belongs to one of several elemental types, like fire, water, or magic. These elements are crucial, as certain areas in the game grant bonuses to specific elemental Skylanders. As you play, collect in-game currency to purchase powerful upgrades for your characters. These enhancements improve their attacks, defense, and special abilities, making them even stronger against Chaos's forces. To truly expand your Skylanders adventure, consider collecting more figures. Each new Skylander unlocks unique abilities and can access previously inaccessible areas or challenges. Different figures offer distinct playstyles, adding depth and replayability to the game. Don't forget to explore all the various game modes, including co-op and competitive options, for endless hours of fun with friends and family.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.